Forensics in this case, it's compelling. It's the state's case in front of a judge only. Let's bring in our analysts who are standing by watching all of these details come in. We have National Trial Attorney Michael Jafer with us and Criminal Defense Attorney Sam Bassett with us as well. Thank you both for being with us this afternoon. Sam Bassett, Criminal Defense Attorney, can you speak to that as well? Because I think sometimes there are misconceptions about defense attorneys and what their motivations are, why they are spending so much time going against the DNA that we are going to hear more about, because the human eye couldn't make the determination about fibers found underneath the fingernails, but we expect we're going to get different technology that's going to be able to draw out the DNA from the same things that the analysts couldn't tell on their own.
Yes, I would echo the sentiments of Michael. This is a really tough case for the defense, and it's a real uphill battle. I think the pieces of the puzzle are multi-layered here. You have the GPS data, you have the forensics, you have the timeline is so tight from the time she was killed till the time she was found. And then apparently we're going to have some DNA evidence as well. It's just a really, really tough case for the defense, and the pieces of the puzzle are being deliberately and steadily put before the judge. So in my opinion, he will find the defendant guilty ultimately.
Yeah, challenging case for the defense, but horrific case for the family of Laken Riley to sit through this trial. We are going to get in a break, because when we come back, we're going to hear more testimony, more of the forensics, more that's coming out in this trial, as we are expecting to get close to the end of the prosecution's case in chief. Stay with us. We're hitting the pause button on this testimony. We're at the top of the hour, so we're going to get to a break. But first, let's bring in our attorneys who are standing by, Michael Jafer and Sam Bassett with us. Sam, talk about what you were seeing so far in this case. What evidence is really standing out to you as being the strongest part of the prosecution's case?
I think that there's a lot of evidence here forensically of some sort of a struggle. There's hair on his jacket. This glove that they're just testifying about has a tear, a hole in it. There's, her pants were pulled down. I think that the evidence is compelling that there was some sort of a physical struggle that went on in the last moments of Lakey's life.
Certainly a case that has rocked the community there in Athens, Georgia. This college town, this college student who was there running on the trail that we saw. Michael Jafer, Sam Bassett, thanks so much for joining us this hour, lending your legal expertise. We have more ahead in this trial there in Athens, the murder of Laken Riley, case for Jose Ibarra, and keeping an eye on other cases. Keep it locked right here on Court TV.